Hello and welcome to another update video about SEI. We take a look at the SEI chart. We start on the 1 hour time frame. I think that's actually enough for this chart anyway. First of all, just a reminder that we have two wave counts on this chart that we're tracking of the October lows. We have one scenario in which the move up into the December highs was just an A wave. The pullback was a B wave into the December lows, and now a C wave to the upside is unfolding. That's one scenario. In a more bullish scenario, we have the white count, and that's instead of an AB, it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We won't really be able to distinguish them until a support level breaks. Because if it's a C wave or if it's a third wave, to be honest, you will not be able to distinguish them if they are both impulsive. I don't have a very reliable micro count, but that's, we already have a wave count that I think goes into detail. Just any more micro counting doesn't make sense with this chart. It just doesn't offer that precision. However, ideally, we wanted this to stretch a little higher, and it could still do that. But point is, even if we go a little higher, we won't be able to tell if it's the 3 or the C. So it really takes a pullback into a support region, and the bulls need to prove that they can hold support to say it's the white count. Until then, we have to at least be cautious about the yellow one, because after an ABC structure, it just means there's a lot of uncertainty. So ideally, for long-term bullish outlook, we needed to form 5 waves up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we can look for the ABC pullback, and then it can carry on, okay? But at the moment, I only have 3 waves up, not 5 yet. So that's why we have the support area on the chart. Where I'm a little bit unsure is if the current pullback, if that's already the main wave 4 and all of wave 3 finished. If I zoom out, that looks okay from a proportional point of view. Proportions look okay like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But see, the third wave there in white will not even have reached the 1.236 extension, which was sort of the minimum target I wanted to see for a third. Well, therefore, for sure it could be the C wave, right? And again, if support breaks, that's it. But if we want to explore a more bullish scenario, ideally this third would push a little higher to at least 97 cents, better a little higher. But still, this could be a wave 4. I just want to highlight it. But because the price is already coming down now and we broke the trend line that you can see there, I think, and I have put it so far only with a question mark, I'm not entirely sure about it, but this could be wave 4. So this wave 4 that I labeled here on the 3rd of January, this could actually be this. So that means I would still focus on higher, possibly in wave 5 of 3 still, or C. So again, the micro count has a little bit of uncertainty because I can't really, there's too much. That it's just too ambiguous. I can give you 5 counts here. It just doesn't make sense. What's relevant really is support. So, and as long as we're holding the support level, at least one more high can happen. And again, when we come down a little further, I get a little bit more price action. I would try to make a call. Okay, is it white wave 4 or yellow? At the moment, I would actually assume it's yellow because we haven't reached that ideal target yet. So that means as soon as wave 4 is done, we'd be looking for wave 5 to reach at least then 97 cents, $1.06, $1.16. So those levels are unchanged. So that means, okay, support is relevant actually for both white wave 4 and yellow wave 4. If I was measuring the one for yellow wave 4, it would be a little higher, okay, but still I want to incorporate them both here. Key support level is 44.2 cents, but to be honest, ideally it doesn't even break below 52. So I would say if we see a break below 52, it would have to be the white count, okay? Or I would rule out that it's yellow wave 4. It could be white or something more bearish. At the moment, literally, it could be the larger degree 4th wave, or the smaller degree, and I'm leaning towards it's the smaller degree. Basically, all that means is as long as we're holding 44.2 cents, the focus can still be on higher, towards those higher FIB levels. I would prefer if it doesn't even break below 52 cents. And a break above this week's high, which was at 89 cents, should send us first to 93, then 97, or actually 98, $1.06 and $1.16. That's my update about SEI. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.